Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention across the field where your Leiden Marching Band welcomes all fans to another exciting Eagle season. Performing the traditional sounds of championship made famous by the NFL today and led onto the field by drum majors Aaron Stanton and Max Saucedo, here's your Leiden High School Marching Band. Your Leiden Band now salutes America by spelling USA on the field. Please direct your attention to the 50-yard line as we salute tonight's Leiden hometown heroes from Rosemont Police Department and proud Leiden alumni. Sergeant Joe Balo, Detective Specialist Nick Coletsis, Public Safety Officer Joe Donnelly, and Public Safety Officer Joe O'Leary, a Maine West alumnus. On the evening of August 6, 2019, these officers responded to an overturned vehicle in the Willow Creek. The officers immediately descended 20 feet down to the vehicle and observed two adults inside the vehicle. These officers' quick actions allowed both adults to be successfully rescued from the vehicle and to be saved. We'd like to thank these brave officers and all the other first responders on scene that evening, whose quick action ensured a safe and successful rescue. Let's hear it for tonight's Leiden hometown heroes from our Rosemont Police Department. Please remain standing and join us in honoring our great nation with the playing and singing of our Star-Spangled Banner. LHS on the field, the band now invites all Eagle fans to remain standing and show your school spirit by singing along to the Leiden fight song.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, especially our Leiden alumni at the Leiden High School's West Campus for tonight's 2019 homecoming matchup between the visiting Willowbrook Warriors and your Leiden Eagles. The Leiden High School and Leiden Board of Education would like to remind you that good sportsmanship is utmost necessary during this contest. Fans can enjoy the game and cheer on your team of choice. Thank you. The Leiden Eagles are coached by Tom Sarasani, assisted by Tony Zitzka, Mike Anderson, Jeremy Jackson, and Joe Gagliardi. Tonight's officials are Scott Stasniak, Scott Aldrich, Kevin Kloniak, Dan Fane, and Jason Hudson.